Have you ever heard of WFPB? Today, we're diving into the core principles of this diet. WFPB stands for Whole Food, Plant-Based. It's all about wholesome plant foods. Think fruits, veggies, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Yum! What should you avoid? Animal products, processed foods, and refined sugars. Why does it matter? Because whole foods fill your body with nutrients it craves. Eating this way cuts out unhealthy fats and sugars linked to chronic diseases. So, have you tried plant-based eating? Share your favorite meals in the comments. The benefits are huge. WFPB boosts heart health and helps with weight management. It reduces inflammation and can even prevent conditions like diabetes. Now, let's talk about the real perks of switching to a WFPB diet. First off, it's great for your heart. By cutting out processed foods and animal products, you lower your intake of unhealthy fats and cholesterol. Studies have shown that people on plant-based diets tend to have lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and a decreased risk of heart disease. But that's not all. A WFPB diet can also help with weight management. Since plant foods are high in fiber and low in calories, they help you feel full longer without overeating. Diabetes prevention. Research suggests that plant-based diets improve insulin sensitivity, helping to prevent or manage type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. The antioxidants in fruits and vegetables can help reduce chronic inflammation, leading to better overall health. And let's not forget, going plant-based is also better for the planet. By reducing the need for animal agriculture, we're lowering greenhouse gas emissions, conserving water, and protecting biodiversity. Ready to change your diet? Like, subscribe to Ayur Times, and let's get started.